Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone automatic switch off problem. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone is automatically switched off, so let's see how can you easily fix that. So the very first and basic step is you have to make a quick restart to fix some glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. Here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed. If your issue doesn't fix, you have to open your settings app and you have to check for faulty apps in your iPhone. So if you find any app which is causing the issues, you just have to delete that. So open your privacy and security section and here just scroll down and look for the option of analytics and improvements. Select that and then select analytics data. And here you have to look for if you find any app name here. Just scroll down and here if you find any app, you just have to go back to your home screen and just delete that app. So for an example, I'm going to delete here my TikTok app. So let's say my TikTok app is happening this one, so you just have to give a long press on it, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete app, and after that tap and delete again, and the app will be completely removed or uninstalled from your phone. So if there will be an issue with this specific app, it will be fixed with this app. And after that, if you are still facing the same issue, so there's a way to reset all of your settings. So sometimes it might be that any of your setting is causing your iPhone to turning it off or on again. So you can easily fix it by resetting your setting to default. Open settings app, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode here and then select reset all settings when the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network setting or all of your phone setting. It will set all settings to default. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this and after that your issue must be fixed. Or in some cases, if your issue is still not fixed, so there's the only way. You just have to reboot or reinstall software on your iPhone to fix the issue. So, or you can also check your battery health. So, you can also try to replace your battery by an original iPhone battery to fix the issue. If there will be any issue with your iPhone battery, it will be fixed and replacing. Or if you still face the issue, so there's the only way. You have to make a software or you have to reinstall the software or reboot your iPhone using your PC or laptop and your issue will be fixed then. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.